The food properly extends over the water so it sinks to the bottom of the tank. As it sinks, it begins to mix and slowly dissolve into the water as it dies spread out, gaining its shape resembling firewood.